Here are 5 of the best websites to earn money online, with a focus on different skills and work styles. 8. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest and most popular freelancing platforms. It's a great choice for professionals who want to offer their services directly to clients. You can create a profile showcasing your skills in areas like writing, graphic design, web development, digital marketing, and video editing. The platform allows you to find both short-term gigs and long-term contracts. Upwork is known for its wide range of job opportunities and a secure payment system that ensures you get paid for your work. Though, Fiverr is a platform where you can sell your services, known as gigs, starting from as low as $5. Unlike Upwork, where you bid on projects, on Fiverr, you create a service listing and clients come to you. This is an excellent option for beginners or those with specialized skills like voiceovers, logo design, social media content creation, and small coding tasks. The key to success on Fiverr is to have a well-optimized gig with clear descriptions and a strong portfolio. Theme: Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing. If you are a writer, Amazon KDP is a fantastic way to earn passive income by self-publishing ebooks and paperbacks. You don't need a publishing house. You can upload your manuscript, design your cover, and set your own price. Amazon handles the distribution and sales, and you earn royalties on every book sold. This platform is perfect for novelists, non-fiction authors, and even those who create low-content books like journals and planners. Charm. Etsy. Etsy is the go-to platform for creative entrepreneurs who want to sell handmade goods, vintage items, and craft supplies. If you have a passion for creating art, jewelry, home decor, or digital products like planners and templates, Etsy provides a massive marketplace with a built-in audience. It's an ideal way to turn your hobbies into a business. 5. YouTube. While not a traditional website for work, YouTube has become a major source of income for creators. By making videos on a topic you're passionate about, you can monetize your content through AdSense, ads shown on your videos, brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. The key to success is consistency and choosing a niche you can talk about for a long time. The potential for earning is very high once you build a dedicated audience.